Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in. This step must be correct so you access your own friends. Once logged in, tap the menu icon on mobile or look at the left sidebar on desktop to find navigation options. Make sure you are on the main account you want. If you manage pages or multiple profiles, switch first. These first actions position you to reach the friends area quickly, saving time and preventing confusion once you continue with the next steps. Once done, go directly to your profile by tapping your name or profile photo. This puts your friends tab front and center. On your profile, select the Friends tab. Here you see friend counts and any lists you've created. If you want a specific person, use the search within Friends to filter by name. This saves scrolling. Make sure to check different list views, all friends, recently added, because Facebook organizes connections for easier browsing and targeted. To finish, inspect the lists shown, close friends, family, restricted, and any custom lists, so you know where contacts are grouped. If a friend or list doesn't appear, check your privacy filters and list settings because visibility can be limited by mutual settings. If things still seem wrong, refresh the page, log out and back in, or use an incognito browser window. Make sure the app is updated. This troubleshooting step solves most display or caching problems and gets your full friends view restored.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.